If you're still pushing a vacuum around your house in this modern era, you're living in the past. Today's robots don't just sweep, they climb over stairs, scrub floors with hot water, and even empty themselves for up to 100 days. We've ranked the top 7 smart robot vacuums available right now, from high-value budget picks to the most advanced, hands-free cleaning machines on the planet. As always, the links to all 7 of these robotic cleaners, plus those massive holiday discounts, are listed for you down in the description below. Let's start the countdown with the best way to get started at number 7. Starting us off at number 7 is the Roborock Q7 M5, priced at an incredible $219.99. This is the definitive choice for anyone who wants a self-emptying robot without the premium price tag. Don't let the price fool you. This machine packs a massive 10,000 pi of suction power and a dock that holds your debris for up to 9 weeks. It features LiDAR navigation for precision mapping and specialized brushes to prevent hair tangles. If you want a reliable, smart vacuum that just works, the Q7 M5 Plus is the best value entry point in the game. At number 6 is the Shark Matrix Plus. Currently on sale for $279.99, this robot is built for homes with a mix of hard floors and carpets. The Shark uses its unique sonic mopping technology to scrub your floors 100 times per minute, while the Matrix Clean system makes multiple passes to ensure no spot is missed. It also features a bagless self-empty base, meaning you never have to buy disposal bags. For the pet owner who needs a machine that can handle both shedding and muddy paw prints, the Shark Matrix Plus is a durable, low-maintenance workhorse. Sliding into the number 5 spot is the Roborock Qrevo series. Priced at $449.99, this is the most affordable way to get a truly hands-free experience. This is an all-in-one docking station that does it all. It empties the dust, refills the water tank, and even washes and dries the mop pads for you. With 8,000 paw of suction and dual spinning mops that automatically lift when they hit carpet, it provides a seamless cleaning experience for under $500. It's the perfect choice for busy households that want to forget about floor cleaning entirely. Moving to number 4 is the eufy Omni S1 Pro. Priced at $799.99, this robot is designed for the person who demands absolute floor hygiene. Unlike traditional pads that drag dirt around, the S1 Pro uses a revolutionary hydrojet roller mop system. It constantly refreshes itself with ozonated water, meaning it only ever touches your floors with clean water. With its square design for better corner cleaning and a 10-in-1 uni-clean station that handles all the maintenance, the eufy S1 Pro is the cleanest mopping experience on the market. Taking the number 3 spot is the Roborock Qrevo Curv. Currently on sale for $649.99, this is the ultimate solution for homes with long-haired pets or thick carpets. This machine is a performance titan, featuring a staggering 18,500 pi of suction. It debuts a revolutionary dual anti-tangle system with an arc-shaped side brush that literally flings hair into the suction path. When it returns to the dock, it washes its mops with 167-degree hot water to dissolve grease. It's a high-heat, high-suction powerhouse that leaves nothing behind. Earning the number 2 spot is the Roborock Saros 10R. Priced at $999.99, this is the slimmest and most powerful Roborock ever built. The Saros 10R is only 3 inches tall, allowing it to glide under furniture that other robots simply can't reach. But despite its thin profile, it packs an industry-leading 22,000 paw of suction. It features the first-of-its-kind Adaptilift chassis to clear high thresholds and a Starsight navigation system that avoids over 100 different obstacle types. It is the pinnacle of slim, high-performance engineering. We have reached the absolute summit. The best smart robot vacuum you can buy right now is the DREAME X50 Ultra. Priced at $799.98, this machine is a glimpse into the future. The X50 Ultra takes the top spot because it solves the biggest problem in home robotics: stairs and thresholds. It is the world's first robot with retractable robotic legs that allow it to climb over obstacles up to 2.5 inches high. Combine that with a massive 20,000 paw of suction, a brush system that handles hair up to 11 inches long, and a dock that holds 100 days of debris. And you have the most independent, capable robot ever built. The DREAME X50 Ultra is, without question, the king of clean. That wraps up our definitive ranking of the top 7 smart robot vacuums. Whether you're looking for the high-value power of the Roborock Q7 or the terrain-conquering legs of the DREAME X50, there has never been a better time to automate your home. If you found the perfect robot to take over your chores, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech rankings, and click the video on your screen right now to see the 5 smart robot toys for your kids to keep them busy while your new vacuum works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.